What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today I'm going to show you a really freaking cool tool. A really cool tool that I've used for years for songwriting. And first off, let me start with this. Anytime that you get an idea for a song, I've showed you guys, there's a video on my channel you can check out with how to set your phone up. So when you have an idea for a song or something that might be catchy for a song, you always write it down. And then on your computer, you should also have a pad that has all of the song names, like whatever the song names might be. And if you see something like, ooh, that's a good name for a song. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got to think about it. Like, a lot of rap songs, okay, off the top of my head, 21 Savage, Bank Account, okay, it's just, he's like, bank account. He may have like had that as a song name. He's like, ooh, bank account, in my bank account, right? Or, let's do better examples would be like, Drake, let's say like you the best, like that may have been a song name, like you the best, yeah man, you the best, whatever it is. That could have started with just that song name. And this is often how song ideas come about. You write down the song name. This tool right here, 100% free, songname.net, is a generator, and all you do is you could just click more, and it just bam, bam, song name ideas. Superficial bitch, that's funny as shit. That could be a funny song. You just click them until you're really feeling something, right? Violent Thug, like a lot of stuff, okay? And you can just, my wooden day, like whack, 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 cool. But this is a great way to randomly come up with a good idea and maybe spark a better idea for a song name, okay? Because when you're working on a song, what I do is I go through, and this is what professional artists and songwriters do. I've been in songwriting sessions with people who write songs with Katy Perry, Jason Derulo, like, this is what they do, okay? They'll go to their song pad and say, yo, oh, this is a good one. I like this one on this beat. We could try this one, okay? Like, look, Lights, Camera, Action. That's actually the name of a song. It's like Lights, Camera, Action, be screaming, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. That's actually a song from like 1999. And it's okay even if it already is a taken name of a song, because the melodies are different, the instrumentation is different, it's a different time, it's a different age. You can make whatever song you want to make. You don't think that there's a bunch of songs named I Love You? You know what I'm saying? Like, you can name whatever you want. But this tool is fantastic. And if you were to click verb, and I put in a verb like fight, look, fight in your eyes. What about fight, fight bomb, fight has me hostage, last night fight, false fight. Like, these are game of fight. Like, these are, it's completely random. And you can use abstract nouns, concrete nouns, plural adjectives, all this stuff. This is a really cool generator, and I wanted to introduce you to this tool and kind of how it works. So if you wanted to use this, go ahead and do this for ideas. All right, you just became a smarter rapper. Go ahead and hit me with a subscribe. I release a video every single day, and make sure you hit that bell so you can become part of the Smart Rapper notification gang and be the first person that gets notified when a new video releases, so you can become a smarter rapper every single solitary day. All right, I got the community coming, and hey, I got a free A&R list for you guys. If you want the A&R list, it's a contact. It's like you can get in contact with any record label. Got the addresses, their email addresses. It's 100% free for you, just for being on my email list. I'm gonna put a link for you guys below of that. All right, super easy. Tons of videos. Comment below if you have any questions and videos that you want me to make, and comment below if you have any other questions. Also, comment your 4 bars of the day. I want to see you guys put 4 bars below, because when you put 4 bars below, this means that you've written for the day. You can go to sleep like, I wrote 4 bars for the day. I feel I did some writing today, okay? At least get it done now. So I tell you to do on the videos. Just do it right now. Take you 5 minutes, all right? I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video. But until then, check out these other videos that are gonna pop up on the screen, okay? And again, songname.net. You can check that out, super easy, and bookmark it, just like I have it bookmarked if you ever need it, okay? There's tons of tools. I got way more tips. Make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video. Hit subscribe, hit the like, comment. Later, y'all.